Welcome back guys, Chaotic Movement here. Got a little tutorial for you today. We're going to be doing the back lever. So if you're unsure on the movement, this is what it looks like. It's nothing special, it's a basic gymnastics movement using your core and your lower back. As you can see, you do require some shoulder flexibility. So to start off, we're going to do an exercise called skin the cat. So we're going to start off in a dead hang with your hands a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. We're going to hang down, we're going to bring these up to our chest and then through the gap between your bar and your head. You're going to get all the way through to what's called a German hang. You're going to hold this for at least 10 seconds comfortably. We're going to keep drilling this and it's comfortable to hold. So once you can do that, we're going to start repping it out. We're going to go from a dead hang through to a German hang and then back. We're going to have to do this at least 5 times comfortably before you move on. So once you can do that, what we're going to do is we're going to slow the motion down. So you do the same thing. We're going to try and slow it right down and stop in a tuck position with your back nice and horizontal. Once you can do that and you can hold it, we're going to keep going from there to upside down and back. Just keep drilling that motion there. Once you're comfortable with that, you're going to start to extend your legs. You can bring it out into a straddle. The shorter your body is, the easier the movement. So you want to bring it out, your legs as wide as possible, and you're going to slowly come down until your body's nice and horizontal. My biggest tip for doing this move is bring your shoulders forward. You want to hunch your shoulders forward and squeeze them together during the whole movement. As soon as you straighten your legs out, your shoulders forward and squeeze. You want to keep your head up, you want to keep your back nice and flat. Once you can do it in straddle, you want to start to bring your feet together and it should start to come together. Let me know how you get on guys, and remember it doesn't come easy. You've got to keep practicing, keep drilling it. Good luck.